How to verify ID on Prizepicks. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Prizepicks. As you can see here, I'm on the official help web page of Prizepicks here. So that is related to verification. Now, first things first, if you're trying to sign up or if you're signed up to Prizepicks, then your ID is automatically verified. But as you can see here, if your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means we need more information before we can verify your identity. To complete this process, you only need your smartphone and a government issued ID such as a driver's license or a password. If you follow the instructions in the app, the verification process will take less than 2 minutes. So all you have to do is you'll have to submit your government verified ID or government issued ID, which will help you for the verification process. Now what happens after you submit your ID? As you can read here, after you submit a valid government issued photo ID, you'll be notified with one of the following status reports, that is either verified or resubmit ID. If your picture is blurred, the ID that you submitted isn't clear, then you'll be asked to resubmit it. It'll be placed in a review or it'll be denied. If you are denied, you'll unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks. Prizepicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion. For security reasons, they will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. Hope this helped you. Do like, subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.